All right, welcome back. It is now Money Monday. And while you're doing some spring cleaning for your house, you might think this is a good time to organize your finances.
So we have financial professional Brad Allen from wealthwisconsin.com here to explain how costly your clutter can be and how you can spruce up your bank account. I like the sound of both of that.
Yeah, I hope you're adding some money to
spring
that
cleaning,
account.
right? So the first one we're talking about are late fees. I have a stack of bills here. And when you're decluttering your house, a lot of time bills can get lost in the shuffle a little bit. 1 in 4 people say they pay their bills late on a monthly basis because they forget about it or they just don't know where they are or whatever it is.
Sure.
So the easiest way to combat that is to do a direct deposit right into the bills, just pay them every month the same, auto pay it, and it's the easiest way. If you don't want to do that, clear a space in your house where you put the mail down every single day, that way it won't get lost in the shuffle.
Okay. Next.
Number 2 is having duplicate items. So a lot of times when you're cleaning up, spring cleaning, you find things that you forgot you had.
Right.
Whether it's 2 things of batteries or tape or hats or sunglasses or whatever it might be.
Right.
You know, just keeping clean throughout the year rather than waiting till spring to do your spring cleaning. It's going to save you money on not buying the same things twice.
And give it away.
Yeah, exactly.
Help someone else.
Exactly. And number 3 is storage. You know, 1 out of 10 people in the United States pay for storage.
Oh my God.
An average of $87.15 per month.
Right.
So that's to keep your stuff that you don't want anymore in a storage unit, right?
So you didn't think about it, but you're paying for it.
Right.
So if you can get rid of some of that stuff and take that $87.15 and put it into an emergency fund or an investment or
That's
something
some
like
real
that.
money there.
Yeah, it keeps adding up on a monthly basis. You're going to help yourself out down the road.
All right. Did I see tape there, or did we get
Yeah,
the tape?
that's just duplicate items. So
Another duplicate.
Too much.
You can't have enough tape.
And you really can't have enough batteries,
Right.
but I guess you should put them somewhere where you can see so you don't buy yet another pack.
Right. And when we're thinking about the finances, we want to try to just clean up that area as well a little bit. So when we get to spring, we want to start looking at all our forms, make sure beneficiaries are all labeled, everything's up to date. You want to take out the trash. So I always say if you have bank statements and pay stubs, you want to keep those for a year.
Okay.
Okay.
If you have anything tax related, you want to keep those for 7 years, but then start to filter out and get rid of. People have stacks of papers from 10 years ago and you don't need it after a certain point. So on our website, wealthwisconsin.com, we have a list of all those things and when to get rid of them.
All right.
What about the 30,000 emails I have clogging my Gmail?
Yeah, you might have to take a Saturday and just go through those.
All right. Thank you very much. Got a question for our experts. Email them at AskTheExpert at today's TMJ4.com. You can also leave a voicemail. We do have the number right there for you.